Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna introduce for this sublimation makeup mirror. This sublimation makeup mirror was crafted from stainless steel and finished with fabric and PU cover. The combination of shiny metal and undrastated fabric gave this mirror a vintage stylish look. It have two pieces mirror enclosed within this makeup mirror, and we offer you many different size and style for you to choose. And cause it is really lightweight, so it can perfectly fit in your pocket. You can personalize this makeup mirror by printing your most attractive photo or the artwork you love on the cover. And okay, now let's print this special makeup mirror together. This time we're still gonna use this flat press machine. Same method like before. First, turn on the machine and set temperature to 180 centigrade and time to 60 seconds. Then during the machine preheat, let's stick the picture. Now machine is finished preheat, just put the mirror on the flat machine is okay. A really good printing, and I believe it will make a chic furor or lasting memento for your girl or your mom. For more detailed information, you can go our official website to have a see. And next video, I'm gonna introduce for the stainless steel straw cup. Please look forward for it, and also please don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys next time!